at algebraic fractions today. So, like regular fractions, we need to have a common denominator. So when we're getting our common denominator, we usually try and find the lowest common denominator. It just makes life a bit easier. So let's have a bit of a practice at finding the lowest common denominator. So we've got 10 and 15. So we could go through and multiply together and give us a common denominator of 150. But we can make life a bit easier. We know that 10 and 15 are both going to go into 30. So that would be our lowest common denominator. Would be 30 in this case. Convert to an equivalent fraction denominator of 33. So we've got 8t over 11 equals something out of 33. So when I was doing ones like this, what I suggest is we just work out what we need to multiply 11 by to get to 33. So we times both top and bottom by that number. So 33 divided by 11 gives us 3. So we have to multiply top and bottom by 3. 8 3's give us 24 and our letter T. Simplify the following. So in this one we've got a common denominator. So all we've got to do is add across the top. 3 plus 5 gives us 8x on 17. This one we're actually going to need to find a common denominator. So what we're going to do is we're going to multiply this side, all of these by 4, and all of these by 3. So we end up with 28 on 12, and we end up with 2 3's and 6 A's on 12, and then we can add across and end up with 26 A's on 12. And we can go through and we can simplify that a bit further and work out that we've got 13a over 12. Why 12? Get there. When we divide the top, we've got to divide the bottom by the same number, so we end up with 13 over 6. Right, we've got 6 and 12, so to get 6, our common denominator is going to be 12. So to get there, we're going to multiply this side by 2. We're going to end up with 6h over 12. Take away 5h on 12, which is going to leave us with little old 1h on 12. I'm happy if you write it as 1h, but keeping things purely strictly mathematical, we usually put it as h on 12. Once again, in this one, we need to find our common denominator. So 6 and 9 both go into 18. So our common denominator is going to be 18. To get to 18, we need to multiply this one by 3, and we need to multiply this one by 2. So we end up with 3a take away 2b. And that's actually our answer, because we can't simplify our a's and b's because a's and b's are different things. We'll have a look at the enrichment stuff now. Thank you for listening.